Hello. Welcome everybody to another live stream. This is actually our second live stream today. We are covering cryptos in this live stream, only cryptos. So welcome to the stream, everybody. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we're gonna dive right into it. So a lot of you have been asking me about cryptos. A lot of you have been, wanting me to update you, arguably even more often, on the situation of cryptos. A lot of people seem to be kind of, jittery right now in the market. A lot of you seem to be worried about, when will we move higher? Are we about to just completely crash again, etc., etc., etc. Now, say hi to the stream, leave a comment. I love to see your interaction. It's super important for me, so please do not hesitate to leave any questions, comments, or share your thoughts on the market. Okay, your thoughts are valued here. I want to hear your opinions. I want to hear what you think about what the market is doing. So please just leave a comment down below. And other than that, we are going to dive right into the live stream. So first off, Bitcoin right below $23,000 right now. Bitcoin has actually been fairly stable. Okay. It is down a bit in the last 24 hours, but overall fairly stable. Ethereum did move up a little bit higher again. You can see that 4.3% pump in the last 7 days. And we're currently at 1,650 right now. So that's kind of our main support level actually at the moment is going to be right around that $150 level. $1,650 level. And other than that, right, if we look across the board here, you'll see a lot of cryptos are just kind of flat, right? And I think that's what's causing a lot of the anxiety in the markets for many people out there is they're seeing this flat price action and they're thinking, what's next? Are we about to go sinking again? Dogecoin has fallen a bit. You can see that 6.4% drop in the last 7 days, 2.3% drop in the last 24 hours. Not pretty actually, because it's about to head back below 9 cents. If we look at, for example, Litecoin, $100 there, Litecoin price, 4.8% move higher. Litecoin's still doing pretty well here. Still doing pretty well. Now, we didn't just go flying above $100, but we didn't actually come crashing back down just yet. So that is a good sign. If we go ahead and look quickly at the top performers here, you're going to see Polygon. This has been one of the strongest coins, right, all throughout the bear market and more recently as well, which is pretty awesome. I've said that this coin is going to continue to perform very well. It's kind of reaching some of its higher levels here at $1.31 for the time being. But I don't expect this coin to just go falling massively either. Okay, I think this coin is going to stay pretty strong here for several weeks to come. It may not go much higher necessarily. It could go as high as $1.40, $1.50, but I'm not expecting this to go crumbling back down anytime soon either. Okay, so I think it's going to hold the majority of its gains, and you can see a very respectable 17% move in the last 7 days, over 4.2% in the last 24 hours. That's heavily outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, it's very, very important to notice the coins that outperform crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, is the stream quality good? I just want to make sure everything is doing good with the stream. I need to see your feedback. I need to see your comments because I manage a lot of these things on this channel. In fact, one of the things that I wanted to show you all, in case you missed it, was my 24/7, yes, you heard it right, this is a 24/7 true real-time Bitcoin price, okay? This was not easy to set up. It's the only true real Bitcoin price on YouTube. It's actually not that easy to find a good stream of real-time Bitcoin price. That's why I made it for all of you. So if you ever want to go check that out, it's on the channel. And actually, I will go ahead and post a link to that live stream right here. I did this live stream so that you could all easily access the live Bitcoin price. I do plan on adding ETH to this. And also, this is an opportunity here in the chat section for all of you to discuss, the state of crypto, the current price of Bitcoin, whatever is going on. And I want to say thank you to Shane Easy, who's been hopping into these streams regularly. I plan on hopefully talking with you some more often in the chat here on this 24/7 live stream. So go ahead, pop in, open that in a second browser, and keep an eye on it, right? Hopefully it becomes more active in terms of the chat. And I hope that all of you who watch this crypto live stream will go over and check that one out and also start regularly tuning into this one. where, you know, I'm not going to come talk on this one, but I might talk in the comments. This is mainly meant to be a simple and clean way to easily access the true live Bitcoin price, okay? So hopefully that link that I just sent you is working. Let's see. I don't think that link worked for some reason. So I'll go ahead and send a correct link to that live stream in just a second here. But in the meantime, let me know what you think is going on with the Bitcoin price right now, okay? You'll notice that, you know, I hadn't drawn out too strictly this flag formation, but I'll go ahead and do this now right over here, okay? Let me make this a little bit neater as well so that it's more accurate. So you can see here, we were in this pretty tight kind of channel, would be the best way to call it, actually. And basically, right, the outcome of that is, let's see. Well, I am micromanaging a lot of stuff here, folks. Just give me a second. Just give me 1 second as I micromanage many of these. So let's see here. I will go ahead and I need to check if that other live stream is working right now. Give me just 1 second. I hate to be doing so much stuff at once. But let me just make sure everything is running technically okay. In the meantime, let me know your comments down in the comment section below so I can jump right into that as soon as I finish fixing up the technical difficulties here. And okay, I believe I got this working again properly. I'm going to go ahead and send all to you. Like I said, the 24/7 live stream is available on my channel at any time. But just to make it convenient, I wanted to go ahead and send you all the link to that in this live stream, so you can just go ahead and open that in a second browser. And like I said, use it as an opportunity to discuss with each other the price of Bitcoin, what's going on. It's there 24/7 live for all of you, so you can easily access it as well. So let's see. I don't know why. I have no idea why that link is not opening for me when I paste it in the chat. But basically, let me make it easy. If you want to go ahead and find the 24/7 crypto live stream, all you have to do is go on my channel, check out the videos, and you'll find the 24/7 live stream there, easily accessible in the live section of the channel. Now, with that being said, let's jump into the crypto live stream. Thank you all for your patience. Thank you, Crypto Plumber, for answering my question if everything was going good with this stream. Now, like I said, Bitcoin in this tight channel, okay, we've actually fallen out of this channel. Is this the end of the world? No, okay. But the reason why I kept saying for weeks and weeks and weeks, please be careful of, you know, not getting too excited for crypto is, I called this video, will cryptos ever pump again? The answer to that is most likely, undoubtedly, yes, but we don't know when they're going to fully pump again, right? And when I mean pump again, I'm talking about a full-blown bull market. We don't know when that's going to come. It's looking like 2023 will absolutely not be the year to re-enter the bull market. I'm telling you all that right now. I've said it in my price predictions, and I've explained many reasons why. Maybe if we're lucky, 2024 will be the year. That's more likely, but it isn't guaranteed, right? It could even take longer than that. So this is going to be a game that only the patient people win. Right now, okay, do I think this is a massive sign of concern what happened? Because a lot of you have been saying, oh, this is it, we're falling below 20K, you know, crypto is weak. Yes, it is a bit weak, right? That is true, but you need to balance that out, okay, with how we've been moving, what's going on in the markets, okay? The markets are stronger than several weeks ago. Now, with that being said, I think it's fully reasonable and actually probably going to see a price move back to 22K. I've been saying that for a while. And if there's a bit more weakness, which it looks like there might be, we could quite easily fall down to 20K. I'm even potentially seeing a drop down to 18.5K, but I don't think that's going to happen that just yet. I think that might happen later on. For now, I'm mainly expecting a minimal drop to 22K, or if we see a little bit more weakness, a full drop down to 20K for Bitcoin, okay? 20K is actually looking quite possible here. That's also right in line with kind of our 200-day support moving average. So it would make sense for us to test this level before then going higher again. It's not a bad thing. It's not, you know, bearish. It's completely normal for the move that we've had. We had a parabolic bounce, and now we're just slowing down. setting up a base for us to move higher. Okay, nothing weird about that, nothing surprising with that. So don't get too concerned about that price action. With that being said, one of the things that is a little bit more concerning in terms of the weakness is the bearish divergence here on the indicators. Then again, this could very much just be the hint that we're going to fall down to 20K. Not necessarily seeing the price moving lower than that, personally speaking. Let me know your thoughts on that, please. This is your chance. We need to interact with each other. We need to, many of you have been around in crypto for a while, and I'm not only saying this for me, but I'm sure everybody in the stream would want you to know the opinion of multiple people, not just mine. So let us know in the comment section down below where you see this going. How much weakness do you think there really is in the crypto market right now? Like I said, by all stats and measures, right, we have been stronger than in the previous months. Fear and Greed Index still in greed territory, still at 58, okay, which right now, being a little bit in the greed is actually a bit of a good thing, right? It makes it more likely that we're going to hold to that 20K level. Naz is saying, I have a feeling we're going to tip 25K first, but BTC looks really weak. Yeah, that's kind of what I see happening, right? At least hitting 25K Bitcoin. I even think we could quite easily hit 28K on some bullishness, and maybe then after that see some weakness again. But like I said, I think this is just how the market has to play out, right? I don't think we're not going to see the 25 or 28K level. But I also don't want people to get too excited about us just going flying above 30K anytime soon, because that could happen later this year. But even in that case, I don't think we're going to go flying above 30K. We could maybe hit 32, maybe 35K max. And, after that, we're going to see a pullback and we're going to see more consolidation. Like I said, you can forget about a bull market happening in 2023. I don't care what kind of stuff you see. I don't care what stocks are pumping or not pumping. I talked about Tesla today. It pumped over 100% in a month. It's just going to go right back down. Okay. I'm sorry to be harsh, but that's the state the market is in. I never, give BS on this channel. I give you the true technical analysis in depth with many indicators, not just the charts. We're looking at the fear and greed. I always covered the, TVL as well, total value locked, right, in crypto. This is a good metric for DeFi and stuff like that. And, this has recovered, right? Like I said, crypto is stronger than in the previous weeks. That's a fact. But is it strong enough for us to just go flying higher like in a bull market? No. And it's not just because of crypto, right? The macroeconomic conditions are not there right now for that to happen. Let's go ahead and see some of the coins that are not performing well. Render token dropping, but this coin has gone up substantially in the last few weeks, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. You can even see in the last 7 days up 23%. Singularity Net, this is interesting, and this actually leads me to one of the articles that I wanted to cover for all of you today. Monstrous continuation of the pump in this coin. We went from 4 cents to, I should actually go and look back what price it was in the last live stream I covered. We're now at basically 50 cents. We even head up a little bit higher than that. This is a crazy move. This thing was basically at its rock bottom and, went to almost a new all-time high in the bear market. Why is that? You can see the 600% move in 30 days. It's because of AI. Okay, this is an AI-related coin. I believe this Fetch AI, this one has been around for a while. I should probably cover the in-depth chart on this one. Yeah, same thing. So we went from 9 cents to 54 cents. Market cap around 500 million on this. This one is already a bigger, more well-known coin. I believe it's trading on Coinbase and Binance. Link to Binance in the description of this video, as always. Let me just go ahead and pull up the chart here. I know quite a few people like this coin. I actually already done a technical analysis on it. I said it had a very good base put in. And very strong looking chart, by the way. Even still after the pump, we could fall back down to 30 cents or so, but still the chart is looking quite strong here. And this is probably only seen a fraction of what it's going to see in the bull market. What's interesting with these, the general hype of the average person trickles down into crypto and is directly reflected in cryptos that are reflected to it, right? Happened with Elon Musk, happened with the NFT metaverse stuff, and now it's happening with the AI stuff. As far as other concerns that are not doing too good, just many of the coins that have pumped substantially, now they're pulling back a bit, so not really too much of a reason for concern. But in the last 7 days, AI has been paving the way for the strongest performers here with both Singularity Net and Fetch AI. many people have not even been talking about this in crypto. You know, I don't understand. Hopefully you're subscribed to this channel because you are watching the best crypto channel on YouTube, and that's why I cover this stuff for you. Okay, you're getting the in-depth stuff. If you want to support the channel, please smash that like button. I need your support. I need your super chats to keep doing this every day. If I don't get super chats in these live streams, literally, I will not be able to stream anymore. And the videos will slowly come to an end. I don't want that to happen. So please, if you appreciate the content that I give out for you, the insights, support the stream with a super chat. It's absolutely necessary, and your support is greatly appreciated. I want to thank Shane Easy for not only commenting in the 24/7 crypto live stream, but also dropping super chats in the last stream or two. Always give a shout out to anybody who supports the stream. And like I said, go ahead and check out this new stream as well. That's running 24/7, the live Bitcoin price available on my channel in the live section. Now, checking out these top performers here, we have some other interesting ones that are worth mentioning. We have these layer 2 chains, Immutable X, Optimism. Just thought I'd point that out as well. The graph, probably kind of related to the AI stuff. MakerDAO doing very well here. I like the price that it was at before. I'd already mentioned that a few streams back. And, you know, we were very low on Maker. We were around $500, I believe. So you can see a nice 20% pump here. This is a very strong coin for the long term. One of the safer coins out there as well. There's very few good stable coins. DAI is one of the only good decentralized ones, and I think it may forever be one of the only good decentralized ones. So I like Maker. Algorand doing very well here actually in the last few days, and Polygon, Chili's also moving up quite nicely here. We got some of those ETH ERC20 coins doing very well. So interesting stuff with these AI coins. Okay, I mean, you saw the move for FET here, Fetch AI, monstrous move for Singularity.net. It was even bigger, and I feel kind of stupid because I literally covered this in the stream with all of you a few streams ago, and let's see, I don't know where the drawn out chart is that I had done the technical analysis on, but regardless, I had covered this coin, and we're probably not much higher than 15 or 20 cents when I covered it. And it did go up as much as 65 cents. So from, you know, even if you would have caught this early in the hype, this was a massive, massive move in the bull market. It's probably going to cool down now. You can see that double top formation. But, you know, who knows? It might see another bit of bullishness, right? The AI stuff is really taking over by storm. With that being said, realistically, we're probably going to come back down to this 25-cent level, consolidate for a bit. But these are the coins that, you know, if you want to see some crazy moves in a very predictable way in the bull market, these AI coins are going to be the star of the show, with probably some type of NFT thing in the next bull market. I'm just saying, not financial advice, just my own personal opinion. Very weird that people are not talking more about these coins. Yeah, I honestly don't understand. But it is what it is. With that being said, let me go ahead and take a look at the crypto heat map here. You can see that in the last day, right? Some money flowing back into the stable coins, flowing out of regular cryptos. Last 7 days, ETH doing really, really good. Okay, we have proof of stake coins that are actually outperforming BTC right now. The Bitcoin dominance has dropped by over 1%, which is pretty surprising. And we also have Naz talking about DMTR. For me, also AI. Yeah, that was one of the other AI coins. DMTR, let's see, yeah, Dimitira. This thing also ripped higher. Now, the one thing, wow, this one saw, you know, the biggest rip, obviously, because it was the smallest coin. One thing that I'll say, be careful with this one is this chart is not very pretty. Okay, this is kind of a fall into the abyss chart. With that being said, we broke out of all the main moving averages. I expect this one to fall back down to around 2 cents, but if it can hold, you know, it's 200-day moving average, then it could be interesting to keep an eye on, right? But those two other bigger ones are probably going to be the safer bets. With that being said, very nice moves on the indicators on this one. And let me see here. So let's see. I talk so fast that I can't even keep up with myself. Yes, I was saying that some money flowing back into some of those proof of stake coins, right? BNB, ETH, ADA. All doing very well here. Bitcoin kind of slowing down, money flowing out of Bitcoin, as can be seen by the dominance. As the 1 month chart shows, still was a good month for crypto. This month might be a little bit less of a bullish month, but who knows, right? We are just beginning the month. But Bitcoin and ETH are still green here as of the last 30 days. Okay, and that actually can be said for most cryptos out there. So like I said, we are improving, we are stabilizing, but that's not to say that we're just going to go absolutely flying from one day to the next either. This was really the most interesting news pieces that I saw today. I like to curate the news for all of you because there's so much junk in crypto that I like to get down to really just the main important stuff. And this was pretty much it for today. It was AI token search traffic spikes as crypto traders seek exposure. Now, this might be giving a little bit too much credit to crypto traders. Obviously, a lot of this is, hype, dumb money flowing in. Obviously, there's some smart money that was probably there before that. But, when something is so trending, has such a wide stream reach, people in crypto are going to take advantage of that. Okay. Like I said, always, within days, it falls back into crypto. Whatever is hyped. You can see here some of these tokens. VAI, Singularity.net, Fetch AI, Deep Brain, GNY, all seeing about 70% plus pump. And I think they were underestimating this, this one up substantially higher. I actually want to go ahead and take a look at some of these other coins just to see what's going on. This is pretty cool stuff. Deep Brain Chain, let me see. I should also pull these up on CoinGecko. I'm sure you're all appreciating this because this is something that not that many people talk about, but something that could provide some of the biggest returns. Also, one of the uglier charts here. I believe I heard of this coin a while back. Had a pump back here. This thing didn't hold its pump. Now it's having a bit of another pump, but smaller. Not my favorite chart setup, I will say. But like I said, all of these coins are going to pump just based on hype, right? With this AI stuff. Let me check out GNY. That's one that I don't think I heard of before. So I want to go ahead and pull that up here. GNY, 35% move higher. Okay. And it's at 12 cents, $20 million market cap. Yeah, that's a much better setup here in terms of the kind of tokenomics there. If we look at the actual detailed chart here, I want to see how this thing has been moving. Obviously, this one fell quite a bit, but now it's really been stabilizing higher on this pump. Pretty interesting chart. It's even going for around 2 here. So that's about it for those crypto tokens. It's cool that I covered that. I did not know all of those. And yeah, well, look at that search term, how to invest in AI. That's funny. Like I said, right, this is the power of mainstream stuff. Very, very interesting nonetheless. And let's see, is there anything else I wanted to talk about with this? That's about it for those AI coins. Let me go ahead and roll over to ETH here. Check out what ETH has been doing, right? Like I said, actually been pretty strong. You can see the, I'm going to clean up all of these charts. So this is one of the last live streams with the messy charts. Bear with me. But we can see that right over here, we've really been putting in a nice base here, okay? I actually like, in a way, what ETH has been doing better with its price than Bitcoin. So yes, we did get that strong parabolic move, but as you can see, we didn't just sink lower right away. We actually held this level very well here. So looks like we're going to hold this $1,550 level. And, it's probably just a matter of another week or two before we get that breakout above $1,650. And after that, we could very quickly pump to $1,800 or even $2,000. Okay. So like I said, I'm not too worried about it. I think we're going to see that move higher in crypto and in stocks. Or sorry, not necessarily stocks, but see that move higher, 25k BTC, 1,800, maybe even 2,000 ETH. I think it's coming. Let me see here. Are there any other coins? Of course, XRP, right? These are our regularly scheduled coins that I cover in these live streams. For those who don't know, we are going to be looking at the XRP to USD chart here in just a second. If I can pull this up. There we go. Right now, it is below its 41 cent level. We did not manage to stay above this 41 cent level, which is a bit disappointing. But, we didn't go too low down in this range just yet. I'd say if we go any bit lower than 35 cents, we're going to end up range bound for a while. If not, though, if we just stay above this 38 cent level, we'll probably consolidate a bit and move higher, like I said, for ETH. I also wanted to cover Matic since it is a coin that has been doing very, very good here. Thank you all so much for the likes today in the live stream. That's awesome. Please also consider dropping a super chat, and I want to see your questions on any other cryptos you want me to cover in this live stream. And please, please, please consider dropping a super chat. I have not gotten a super chat in several live streams, literally, and I need your support to keep doing these on a daily basis. Okay, so if you appreciate this content, if you want to make sure that you keep getting this content, if you have a specific question you want me to answer, anything like that, just leave a super chat, and I will answer your question. Or say thank you if you're just supporting the stream. It's greatly appreciated and needed to keep making this great content for all of you. Now, Matic, one of the strongest charts in crypto, actually completing this little cup and handle, short-term cup and handle formation. We are at the neckline here, so we could see a bit of a pullback, but it would not be anything too major anyways. And it looks like it wants to go to this $1.50 level. I don't really see any option for this one to not go to its $1.50 level. This is also being reflected here, actually even more reflected on the RSI. Okay, classical head and shoulder pattern there. Very, very bullish pattern, and one that almost has, in my opinion, a 100%, maybe not 100%, but 80-85% hit rate, especially in this type of setup where we already know we're bullish on Matic. We're holding our uptrend right now. Doesn't get much better than this for these market conditions. Okay, MACD looking very strong, no weakness there. Basically, the picture perfect setup to at least get to $1.50. And I don't see this one going crumbling either. Okay, I actually have a pretty hard time seeing this even falling back to $1, but it could happen, but not lower than that. I also wanted to mention that we got our technical analysis master course. It is right below $50 now. 30-day money back guarantee on this. The best course for technical analysis, whether it's stocks, crypto. We got 15 video lessons on this. And like I said, you can try this out risk-free. 30-day money back guarantee if you're not satisfied. We have great reviews from all of our students. Link to that in the description of this video. With that being said, now is your chance. If there's any coins, cryptos that you want me to do an analysis on, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will get to it. I also really, really hope we can get a super chat in today's live stream to support the channel and to support these live streams. So just let me know down in the comment section below any other cryptos that you want me to do an analysis on. I will go ahead and cover that. And in the meantime, I also want you all to leave a like if you haven't already. And of course, if you want to get that shout out and want to support the stream, it would be greatly appreciated if we get a super chat today. I put a lot of work into these streams, into the content that I built for this channel, into the research, a lot of stuff that goes into it. So, the super chats are one of the quickest and best ways to support me directly. And of course, also don't forget to go check out the 24/7 Bitcoin live stream. I've seen a few of you already checking it out, but go ahead and check this out, right? This is on my channel in the live section. If you go click to my channel, go to the live section, you'll find this live stream here running 24/7. This is the true real-time live Bitcoin price, okay? And I wanted to build this resource so that it is free and available to all of you in an easy and quick way. And I hope to also see this chat section become more active so that we can all discuss the BTC price together and how crypto is doing all in real time. Very, very good looking chart for Matic there. Just going to pull up the Bitcoin chart. I'll wait a few more minutes for any comments that you want me to check out as far as cryptos. So just let me know down in the comment section below, folks. Now is the time for that. Just drop a comment. And if you want to share your thoughts on how crypto is doing, let me know. Good to see you back, by the way, Crypto Plumber. I haven't seen your comments in a while here on the channel, but it's great to have you back in this live stream. Hopefully you're still watching. I know you're an OG, and you also have been around in crypto for quite some time, so your thoughts and comments are always appreciated. Thank you all for those 8 likes. I think this we're going to see this fear and greed index push a little bit more bullish again here in the next week or two, as we're going to make that run to $1,800 on ETH, maybe 25k BTC, could be even a bit higher than that. Probably going to happen in the next week or two, right? We could see that drop down to 20k or just 22k. Maybe we'll just stop midway through at 21k. Basically, we could drop a little bit more right before then, but after that, I think we're going to get that move higher. You know, if we go down to 21k, for example, that's about only a 10% drop. Okay, so not that disastrous. 20k, 22k is about a 5% drop. And of course, if we do see that 20k, that's going to be a 15% drop. But still within a very reasonable range here, considering that we got that parabolic bounce of almost 50%. Any comments on any other cryptos you want me to take a look at? Now is your time. Please drop a comment down below. Any coins you want me to take a look at, do an analysis on, now is your chance. Just let me know in the comment section down below. I don't know why there's so few comments in this live stream. I hope the audio and everything is running smoothly. Thank you for letting me know, Naz, that everything is running fine in the stream. Always appreciate all of your feedback. You always cover Matic. Yeah, I knew that there's I didn't know who it was in the what's it called? I didn't know who it was in the stream that always asks me to cover Matic, or doesn't ask me because knows that I'm going to cover it in every stream. But yes, I did cover Matic in today's stream as well. And also, Frank, I saw you in the 24/7 stream. Thank you for checking that out. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to wrap up this stream. Thank you all so much for your support. Like I said, we got this stream running 24/7 round the clock for all of you, live Bitcoin price. If you ever want to take a look at the Bitcoin price or chat with other people about the Bitcoin price, this is the quickest way to do it. It's not that easy to find the true real-time Bitcoin price, which is why I made this resource for all of you live on the channel 24/7. Just click on the channel and go to the live section. You'll find it. And that is where you're going to find the true real-time price of Bitcoin, okay? Updated in real time, and also the true chart updated in real time, okay? So this is something that is available for all of you here. And other than that, we are going to wrap up this live stream. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. And I will be seeing you all, of course, very, very soon for another stream and more videos coming soon. Crypto videos, stock videos, all that good stuff. You'll see it here on the channel. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.